Hello guys, this is Biscuit Pig Vlogs here. As always, well, unless it's someone else on my channel who I've let record. Yeah, don't think that happens that much. So, yeah. Man, we're on another dog walk. I hope you guys actually like these dog walks, because I do them a lot. Especially on vlogging. I vlog them a lot, and I do them a lot. But yeah. That's that. Turns out my action camera is waterproof when it's got its case on. It comes with a special case which is waterproof. And so that's pretty cool. I put in a glass of water and started recording. It worked perfectly. So you might get some pretty cool videos on that. I might even drop out of the window someday to see how good it is. Do you want to go up there? Yeah. Just here with my dad and my dog Milo. If you've been on Biscuit Pig for a while, or you just know me, you'll know Milo. He's in many of my videos. He's famous. No, he's really not. You want to go up there?
Don't mind. I'll go along wherever you like.
Can we go up there?
Okay.
Cool. So we're gonna go up here, and I'll see you soon. Dun 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 dun. Guys, just going up the tunnel. So yeah, I like this place. I like going here. It's cool. I enjoy it. And I get vlogs. So morning and evening are the main place where I do vlogs. Well, the main time. So from like 10-7 in the morning to around maybe 7:20 is the caption for the first morning of vlogs, unless this is school days. Anyway. And then evening is around 3 to 6 or 7 or 8. So it's a pretty big one in the evenings. But I don't do them that much in the evenings. Well, it's actually 4 to around that, to a certain point. Because most of the time I do homework when I get home. I'll just get out of the way. I've only got like one piece and that's due next year. You're probably thinking next year. Well, yeah, we've got 20 days or something till next year. So yeah, June, like the week after I get back. That's it. So many Christmas lights. Not so many, but there's lots of them. Christmas lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 lots of Christmas lights. Yeah, my friend lives up here. Well, we're just going at the moment. I knock on him every morning. My friend, who I actually didn't upload that video. Hopefully you'll see him soon, eventually, when he stays night, because yeah, we do all nighters, meaning that you if you ever do those, you're gonna get lots of footage, hopefully. So yeah, guys, make that 7 lots of Christmas lights, I guess. My friend, no, yes, wait, yeah, around 7 lots maybe. Yes, 7. Yeah, 7. No, 8. 8 lots of Christmas lights. That is a lot. 8 lots of Christmas lights. Yeah, there's definitely on my friend's house side. Yeah. 8 lots. That is pretty good enough. I see another one. 9. That there's not any more as far as I can see at the moment. There's 9 over there. But then there's 9 so far. Kills them over there. But yeah. 10, 11, 12. Okay. We're hitting the charts now. Well, actually, 13, 14, counting mine and my next door neighbours. So that's 14 so far. 15. There's some over there. Oh, we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go up a tunnel.
This way?
Yeah. Let's go this way. Guys, it's now gone up to 20. 20. 20. 20. No, not 21. When it is, I will have to. Then I'll be back when it is 21. Guys, there's so many over here. We know there's people. So over there. Guys, we have hit 21. There, 21 there. See? There, you see. Guys, we are now on 23. Guys, we're now on 24 Christmas lights. 24. Guys, comment down below what you like from McDonald's, because that's what we're just speaking about. Man, today's vlog, I haven't got that much footage, but that's kind of, in some ways, I don't want to have too much on the vlog, but I don't have too little. That depends. If the vlog's supposed to be little, then it will be. But yeah. So we're on like 20. I believe we're still on 24 or 25. Let's just go with 24. Like so far. So yeah. That is that. And yeah, so I might. Yeah. So I might show eventually some action camera footage in water, because it's really cool actually. I like it. I was really surprised when I realised it was actually waterproof. But yeah. So guys, I'll see you soon. Actually, no guys, I'm sorry, this is the end of the vlog. But yeah, so this has been Biscuit Pig, as always, and goodbye.